Ngoba nabo nesibindi
Sobuza kolokho bovodliwa zinjini.
Yabo.
Yasexhobe yaseJolvet uzudla ziwuphindelela. Sobuza nayo inkinga mfowethu. Insolo ziba ningana zithi uphakela umthakathi usedlile.
Usedle imali.
Usedle imali sobuza. Bathi amandla asehlile.
Befana lehleni.
Phela sobuza phela lento ungayiqinisi kumina kakhulu.
Angabuza ukuthi yini befanele ayihle.
Wena sobuza uthini? Uthi udlile noma kadlanga?
Manje kwimali inhlanhla yakhe ngoba usebenzile.
Sebenzile.
Umuntu osebenzile udinga ukuhola.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Ngoba kuba beyinqaba le mali beyobuya ayitholeni.
Belifaka amalini uphakela umthakathi esuka le wona ngoma eGoli.
Bese ngafake lutho.
Asifaka amalini uphakela umthakathi esuka la eEastern Cape.
Bese ngafake lutho.
Wabuya kuphakela umthakathi niqhubeka nomsebenzi yena ngithi.
Sobuza.
Bethola amalini, bethola amalini ngalokho yena lutho ngithi.
Sobuza.
Hamba ntanta wonke umhlaba lo.
Benongezwe.
Nike namxhasa ngamalini.
Hayi asikaze
sobuza. Mase ufike ukuthi amaphosa semxhasa ukuthi umbhekisha uqhubeke niyakhala.
Ukufa bekuseduze.
Bekula ukufa. Abantu abadansa idrug bafuna umbulala.
Sobuza.
Yabo.
Ngoba ubulala umsebenzi wabo.
Ubulala umsebenzi wabo. Baningi abantu bebedla ngalekhe ngaphandle ebebefuna ukumbulala kodwa wahamba nesibili.
Sobuza.
Bekusuke isikhathi sokuthi ahole uphakela umthakathi.
Uma kuwukuthi uholile.
Maye ngokuthi uholile inhlanhla yakhe leyo.
Sobuza. Ubani kodwa bengawunqaba u3 million sobuza.
Ubani ongasebenzela mahala Themnethu.
Sobuza.
Ubani futhi
ngoba kuba beyinqaba lapha mina ngimbona ukukhona bezomnika omunye.
Lalela nje abantu abangabethi yena unqaba u3 million.
Yeah sobuza.
Ngenxa yabantu futhi ekhanda kaphili.
Angikuzwa sobuza ungakuphi kantona sobuza.
Ngiyakutshela ukuthi akekho umuntu onganqaba imali. Ningakhuluma nokuthanda imali ayinqatshwa.
Sobuza. Ngoba ngeke uphinde uyithole ndawo.
Uzothola ubani umuntu bengamnika leyo mali make ukuthi bamnikeze
akekho sobuza.
Ubani bengaphila bamnika. Engalokho ethi ukebhize umuntu labantu abangamthathi ngalutho.
Abangamniki lutho.
Yeah. Awusazi umnike lutho thina uphakela umthakathi. Futhi bengeke sumnike lutho.
Awu sobuza. Okusho ukuthi sithi sobuza idla mfoka ndabandaba mawukuthi udlile.
Mawudlile ndabandaba adlana. Kanti wawuzucebe nini wena?
Sobuza. Aqhubeka kodwa nomsebenzi.
Sekahambela ngendlela
thina. Kuyena mawukuthi ukhathele.
Mayekhathela phumula. Baba manje mbabule nje manje into enteleze bebuya bachele ngabe bakhokha malini bona yona.
Bayazi umfana abandaba oyisike ngamalini.
Bayazi into lezuthi imalini.
Le yenza ukuthi abantu bangalwi.
Abantu abamodern million bengali bebanjwe le nto lezo.
Hey sobuza.
Imali le nto lezo yani.
Makukuthi bekukhokhwa yona leyo nto khokhelwa leyo nto sazelaphi.
Mawuna maphosa bekhokhela zonke lezo ndleko nikhalelani.
Sobuza mfowethu uyibeka kanje?
Njalo.
Injalo bhuti. Ukuthi uthi sobuza thina asingakhaliswa sikhaliswa umona.
Ziningi indleko angene kuzo no petrol behamba yonke lento. Usuka kwanongoma eStern Cape imalini.
Sobuza. Uthi uyezwa ukuthi useGoli.
Uthi uyezwa useGoli.
Uthi uyezwa ukuthi usehadini.
Uthi uyezwa kamhlabeli kahle usehadini. Uhamba ngani
sobuza uhambile. Intelezi mfowethu.
Intelezi ke.
Ibisapho ubani obeba sobuza. Obeba supporter emalini zentelezi. Uyabiza le ntelezi sobuza.
Hawu kodwa mina nginankinga nje. Mayiholile umfowethu siyambongela.
Sobuza.
Bese kufika isikhathi sokuthi ahola.
Yeah.
Ngoba lo muntu unengane, unomusi, yazi, unabafazi.
Sobuza.
Ngoba bentata wonke umhlaba nje badlani bonke labantu laba.
Sobuza.
Bafuni manje uyicabangela nina nodwa.
Hayi sobuza, angibonge mfowethu onendlebe uzwele. Bayakuzwa ukukhala kwakho sobuza.
Umsebenzi ke mina noma bengathi ngingabuyela, vele ngingabuyela mayidlile, udlile naye bekozobe ninelambile.
Nje uyasobuza mabethi singakuyena sobuza kofuna nathi asiqalazi.
Awuyasazi itholakala kuphi?
Siyabonga sobuza.
Yazi kule ndaba kaphakela umthakathi nokudibana kwakhe nopresident. Ngiyafuna siyibuze imibuzo nje ethile sike siyibuza ukuthi now that abantu babelieve ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi bafinyelele kuye kungenzeka ukuthi ubribewe. What is the inhloso yayo yonke leyo nto leyo? Because mina ngokwami nginento ethi akabribanga and kukancane ukuthi ungabribe umuntu ngokudibana naye just ilanga eliyi-1 and already umnika imali yokuthi ayeke wonke umsebenzi ade wenza i-build up engaka to i-30 zikaJune. Kimi ayenzi sense. And so I think ukuthi in a way lento lena ibe i-byproduct. Mhlawumbe upresident was concerned ukuthi kungenzeka kulimala abantu and wanted to meet abantu, but ngiphinde ngingaxoli ngaleyo nto leyo because nginento ethi upresident knew ukuthi uPhakela uMthakathi akasebenzi yedwa. He knew ukuthi labantu bawu-3 abakwi-forefront but wabiza 2. That means upresident knew ukuthi into ayenzayo yena ukufaka isandla semfene so that sikhuluma into engasadibani sisonke ezabantu abasupport i-march and march. And I think kuleyo party leyo ube successful because uma uthi uyabheka manje asisakhuluma ilanguage eyi-1. Kunabantu abathi hayi uPhakela uMthakathi kukhona kufumbathile, abanye bathi akafumbathanga, and I'm one of abantu abathi ayikho into asithengise ngayo lapha ngaphakathi, because into esiyidingayo kuPhakela uMthakathi iyi-1. Sidinga ukuthi asi-organizele abantu and aphushe njengoba bekaphusha, njengoba enze iSlondon, njengoba enze eGoli, zonke izindawo. Sidinga nje leyo nto leyo because leyo nto leyo i-raise awareness to everyone, abone ukuthi sifuna ugovernment ukuthi athathe izinto ayithathele phezulu. Now uma sithi uPhakela uMthakathi uthola imali ukuze abuye umumva, leyo nto leyo ngeke sikwazi ukuyiprova ngento eyenzeke 5 days ago. Sizoyiprova ngokuthi over time kuzomela sibonene kuPhakela uMthakathi ukuthi useyithathile imali. So kumele sibone itune yakhe ukuthi usayikhuluma ni language eyi-1 or useyashintsha. Now nakulento engisho i-risk because sizothi uyashintsha kanti ushintshwa yithi futhi. Ngikwenzele nje example, uyabona manje uPhakela uMthakathi uhlukene kabili. Into nje abantu bathi uthola i-bribe njengoba edibane president. Into i-1 ke manje is that it's either yena uyayeka so that aclean igama lakhe because egcineni akaholi mosi for ukwenza yonke lento le. So if eyeka out of frustration and the criticism eyithola from abantu, kuzothiwa vele imali uyithathe, that's why ayeka. Yebo, uma eqhubeka and uyabona ukuthi uqhubeka kwakhe uqedwa yithi motivation because thina siphinde sithi hayi uPhakela uMthakathi ufumbathiswe into ethile, of which ke mina ngibona ngathi i-greatest enemy la yithi thina abantu ekade sifuna futhi ukuthi into iqhubeke. So angazi ukuthi noma lama ukuthi kunzima ukuwabona ama-comment ukuthi asuka kumuntu oyayo kwi-march or asuka kumuntu ongayi kwi-march. And at this point mina ngibona ngathi into better ukuthi make this time around siyifundise ukuthemba iy'nkokheli zethu, siyifundise ukuthi uma umuntu sithi uyi-leader ake simyeke asikhokhele until sonke sibe nobufakazi of enough ukuthi uyahluleka ukusikhokhela. Because okwamanje we don't have evidence ethi uPhakela uMthakathi u-corrupt or uPhakela uMthakathi u-receive i-bribe. Asinayo. I-evidence esinayo ukuthi uPhakela uMthakathi ever since ajoyine i-march and march umsebenzi wavele wawenza walula ×2 more than before. So I'm not sure ukuthi lana thina siya-understand ani role esiyenzayo ukuthi yonke into esiyikhuluma mayifika kuPhakela uMthakathi izofika yenze ini kuye. Because manje whatever action azoyenza, whether le nkulumo zethu ziyamhetha or azimhethi, if efuna ukubuya umva kuzobe ngathi vele uyitholile imali kanti imali uzothola akayitholanga. So I feel like in a way our greatest enemy right now yithi esiyigwaza ngomkhonto. Uyazi isiZulu siye sithi kushaywa edonsayo, and yabo manje kushaywa edonsayo. And inkomo edonsayo ayishaywa ngeyi-stranger, ishaywa ngabantu ebancedayo lenkomo most of the time. So that's why nalesisho sithi kushaywa edonsayo, hayi ngoba kutheni namanje abantu abancedakele ngenxa kaPhakela uMthakathi, ngenxa ye-march and march, ngenxa kaJacinta, namhlanje kushaya uPhakela uMthakathi. Chances are lento eyenzekayo kuPhakela uMthakathi izondlula yena kuJacinta. Siyophinde sibathole pha abantu abayoba nesibindi esingaka sokwenza lento abayenzayo. Siyophinde sibathole. because selokwaqala asikaze siyibone into enje endle emnyama idibene kanje ngento eyodwa abantu bame nje kwinto ababelieve kuyo. So are we saying, in other words, effort engaka izostainwa just by into eyi-one esingena proof yayo? I feel like mina unfair. We are unfair to Uphakela Umthakathi. We are unfair to March and March. We are unfair to ourselves because la silwa nomuntu obambe iqhaza enzima kabi. And ngendlela esenza ngayo siyayibulala yitho esicima lomlilo. Instead of sivuthise sithi if we were to choose between uRamaphosa and Uphakela Umthakathi sikhetha Uphakela Umthakathi because usibonisile kulamalanga lawa kade sinaye khona ukuthi umsebenzi uyawushaya, umsebenzi uyawenza futhi umsebenzi uyazimisela. So angifuni mina sididwe yama-video esiwabonayo nama-comments esiwabonayo kube ngathi wonke umuntu uthi Uphakela Umthakathi usithengisile. Uphakela Umthakathi uperfect? No, akekho perfect. No one is perfect, but leyo nto leyisho ukuthi kumele sibuyumva because manje into enzakalayo izitha sijabule. Wonke umuntu ujabule because kuyabonakala ukuthi le crack ekudala beyifuna isiyaphuma manje iyenzeka. Of which I don't think ukuthi into right leyo because once kwabulaleka le momentum ebuildekile already kuzoba nzima ukuthi siphinde sibuyele laphana. Into enabantu abaningi ayidlali once kwamosheka kayi-one kunzima ukuthi kuphinde kubuye. Angikubuza nje umbuzo oyi-one. Ever since 1994 yiphi political party eyabuildwa yaba strong yawa yaphinde yaba strong? Ayikho ngahamba ulando wonke umlando ayikho political party eyavuka zonke mazishone phansi aziphindi ziye phezulu. So nathi sikuleyo risk yokuthi once sawucima lomlilo akekho umuntu ophinda abe kule momentum imatch and match ekade kuwo from now on kuyaphambili. And kuzobe ngathi the greatest cause yalento was Uphakela Umthakathi meeting the president, and it was not. Kumele lana sindlule lento noma kuthiwa iyasibotharisha masi-analyze siyamukele ukuthi we believe kwinkokheli zethu because ayikho inkokheli esavumile ukuthi ukhona obuke ngathi uthengisiwe. So asikwazi ukulalelana sisodwa la phansi singazona inkokheli. Kumele silalela abantu abaphezulu sibeze bathini bona. If uJacinta akasho that means ayikho into eyenzekile. Kuyoze kube uJacinta oshoyo because one thing I'm sure ngayo is that as much as enemy yethu ku-government, there are people ku-government abangayilika la information if yenzekile beyilike to Jacinta so that isiyazi. So asibhiliveni kwi-leadership yethu sike sime ngale.
Uthi Uphakela Jacinta ngiyawabona lama negative comments owenzayo ngami sukela uqale kuwenza angikaphendule kuwo, angiphenduli nama ngikhomenti kabi kuwo. You must know that I'm more than capable to respond the same way you do it. You understand? Cela uthi mina into engenza ngakwenzi lo ukuthi ngiyakuthanda futhi ngiyakuhlonipha njengosisi wami and angicompete nawe. I think there's something that Uphakela is missing about this whole thing, and I understand the pain kaJacinta, by the way. Uphakela is missing the fact that uJacinta uzwa ubuhlungu ukuthi if they were anything that went wrong with the marches to an extent ukuthi vele people needed to be arrested, uJacinta, because she's the one that signed the Section 4, she was going to be arrested and be held accountable of anything, even though initially the date was issued by Uphakela. To an extent that uJacinta tried to run away from the date, but Uphakela came and said, no, mina, I'm out of this thing. We will be supporting Image Jacinta on the 30th of June. You understand? So that thing concerned uJacinta. That's why ubuze uzoso what anginine nite anna Image. So he never need discuss no president. So I feel like Uphakela should just understand that uJacinta is so emotional. Ukuthi naye she wanted to form part of the meeting with the president because the ultimate goal of this whole thing is to meet the head of the state and tell the head of the state directly that we have a problem of foreigners influx, illegal immigrant influx in South Africa, and you must do something about it. And when now she's sidelined when that opportunity presents itself to meet the head of the state, I understand Nama concerns work. And she's right when she says she was going to be arrested alone with this whole thing. But me, I'm suggesting this. Jacinta must just call a press briefing and then call the media and the journalist and then voice out because you can see that she wants to voice out. By the way, uPhakela also needs to consider the fact that what they did with Ungizwe Mchunu, in any aspect, he cannot try to justify it. It's wrong. And I can tell you, Cyril has won against these people. The divide and rule has manifested successfully in the mission of Cyril Ramaphosa. It's done. It's done. And the sad truth is, March and March cannot function as it used to without uPhakela. And uPhakela cannot function as he thinks he can without uJacinta. So uJacinta and uPhakela, they need each other the most. I'm not going to count Ungizwe. Ungizwe, bayamdinga, but not that much. But dinga kakhulu uPhakela no Jacinta. These two, they must align if they want to continue with this thing. Apart from that, all of them, they're going to dwindle into insignificance.
Lycos files is out. The files are hot, I'm telling you. The files are hot. They are burning like chili. Calm down, Malo. They say on the 29th. Pella, remember 29 June, when we were scared that something is going to happen on the 3rd. They say they were called. Pella, allegedly, Phakela Mthakathi and the gang. They were called. They say they first get a half of 1.5 million. They said, get this half. And then after the march the next day, you guys, you're going to get the balance. So, in total, Phakela Mthakathi, they get with the gang 3 million rands from the president himself, allegedly. But now the question is here. It's not bad if the president is giving his citizen money. But why, Mr. Suits, he never talk about it in a press conference? Why, Mr. Suits, he never mention it? Kanti Mr. Suits is not the person who said him he has refused 10 million. Hey, Usoma million. Hello. We want to know. Because it's still allegedly. But the story is, allegedly, they were given 3 million. So we don't know if the 3 million was a funding for Izwa, or the 3 million it was for him to buy another car. Chai! People, they don't want to climb even a ladder. They are using a lift to go up. That's 3 million from the president. I told you, one meeting with the president, everything was ironed. South Africa. How many times I call you? South Africa.
Welcome back to Mzansi Daily Affairs. Bafethu, I just want to say, Uti, we all know, Uti, we all have our different opinions. Just as the video that you've just watched, if you've watched till this far, now you can understand, Uti, people are voicing out different opinions, right? But the fact is that we still do not know what really happened or what transpired in that meeting. But one thing is for sure, and this is my opinion, and this is how I see it. You will leave me a comment there and actually let's have a debate about it. But I think I'm just basing this on my own perception and thoughts, right? I'm not saying it is what it is, but I think that the reason why Jacinta Ngobese was actually left out with meeting the president. We all know how Phakelo Mthakathi is, Bafethu. He's like a very, very traditional guy, you see. I think that he believes that meeting should be a man's meeting. Only men must go there and discuss this thing like man, because we all have seen when he leads these marches, right? No women must be in front. All the women must, But according to him, I believe that he wouldn't allow women to actually participate in these marches. We've seen him dismissing this a bunch of women actually, telling them, okay, just move from here, it's not a bad thing, it's tradition and whatnot, but that's my take on that. That's what I think is actually happening here, that she was actually excluded from the meeting because she's a woman. And personally, I don't think that is actually okay, because she also thinks she also has power. Her voice actually can move things. So I think that she also deserved to be there, to be part of that meeting. But nonetheless, I don't want to comment much about the 3 million because I don't know anything about that. It's something that's alleged. It's not fact-based knowledge that we actually have about that. So let's have a discussion right there in the comment section. What do you think, guys?